Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can extract tags from screenshot on Windows 11. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my computer with Windows 11, and for example, I'm going to take screenshot of this document. We can use Snipping Tool to take screenshot. You can go to the search menu and then you can search for Snipping Tool. Usually the Snipping Tool application will be automatically installed on your Windows, so you just need to search for this application and then you can click on this camera icon to take screenshot, and then you can select the area. I'm just going to select this area, okay, like this guys, and then you can click on this icon to select the text, okay, and wait for a moment. Okay, and now the text has been selected, and then you just need to right click on it and then click on select all, and then I'm just going to copy it. So we can click on copy text, and then I'm going to paste it on my new document. Okay, this is the result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to extract tags from screenshot on Windows 11. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.